5 easy ways to save money. Every month, welcome savvy savers and budget conscious individuals to a comprehensive guide on mastering the art of saving money. In today's fast paced world, managing finances effectively has become more critical than ever. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a dream vacation, or long term financial security, learning to save money consistently is a skill that can benefit you for a lifetime. Navigating the complex landscape of personal finance can feel overwhelming at times, but fear not. In this segment, we'll break down 5 practical and actionable strategies to help you save money effortlessly each month. From tracking your expenses and creating a budget to cutting unnecessary expenses, meal prepping, and automating your savings, we'll cover all the bases to ensure you're equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve your financial goals. Budgeting and saving money can often feel like daunting tasks, especially when faced with bills, expenses, and the temptation to indulge in impulse purchases. However, with the right approach and a bit of discipline, achieving financial stability and building a healthy savings account is entirely feasible. Throughout this guide, we'll explore each strategy in detail, providing practical tips, actionable steps, and real life examples to illustrate how you can implement these techniques in your own life. Whether you're a recent college graduate just starting out on your financial journey, or a seasoned professional looking to take your savings game to the next level, there's something here for everyone. So grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and prepare to embark on a journey toward financial freedom. By the end of this segment, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take control of your finances, save money consistently, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to start saving? Let's dive in. 1. Track your expenses. The first step in saving money is knowing where it's going. Take a close look at your spending habits. Are there areas where you could cut back? Maybe it's those daily coffee runs or impulse purchases online. By tracking your expenses, you'll identify areas where you can make adjustments and save. Tracking expenses doesn't have to be a cumbersome task. With the plethora of budgeting apps and tools available today, managing your finances has never been easier. Many apps allow you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions and providing detailed reports on your spending patterns. With this information at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your funds more effectively. Furthermore, keeping a spending journal can also be an eye-opening experience. Simply jotting down every purchase, no matter how small, can reveal surprising insights into your spending habits. You may discover recurring expenses that you hadn't realized were adding up or notice patterns in your behavior that prompt unnecessary purchases. 2. Create a budget. Once you've got a handle on your spending, it's time to create a budget. Set limits for each category, such as groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Stick to your budget religiously, and you'll be amazed at how much you can save each month. A budget serves as a roadmap for your finances, guiding your spending decisions and ensuring that you stay on track toward your savings goals. Start by calculating your monthly income and fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. Then, allocate the remaining funds to discretionary categories, such as dining out, entertainment, and personal care. It's essential to be realistic when setting budget limits. While it's tempting to slash expenses drastically, overly restrictive budgets are often unsustainable and can lead to frustration and burnout. Instead, aim for a balanced approach that allows for occasional indulgences while still prioritizing savings and financial security. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that premium cable package or monthly subscription box? Cutting out unnecessary expenses is a quick way to free up extra cash. Evaluate your subscriptions and services regularly to ensure you're only paying for what you truly need and use. In today's subscription-driven culture, it's easy to accumulate a myriad of recurring expenses without even realizing it. From streaming services and gym memberships to meal delivery kits and beauty boxes, these subscriptions can add up quickly, draining your bank account without providing significant value in return. Take stock of your subscriptions and evaluate their necessity and utility. Are you actively using each service, or are some simply collecting dust? Consider canceling those subscriptions that no longer align with your priorities or bring you joy. You may be surprised at how much you can save by trimming the fat and eliminating unnecessary expenses from your budget. 4. Meal prep and cook at home. Eating out can quickly drain your bank account. Instead, try meal prepping and cooking at home. Not only is it healthier, but it's also much cheaper. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and stick to it. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by skipping the restaurant and cooking at home. The convenience of dining out can be tempting, especially after a long day at work or when faced with a busy schedule. However, the cost of eating out regularly can add up significantly over time, making it one of the easiest areas to cut back and save money. Meal prepping and cooking at home offer numerous benefits beyond just cost savings. Not only do homemade meals tend to be healthier and more nutritious, but they also allow you to exercise greater control over portion sizes and ingredients. Additionally, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding activity, whether you're experimenting with new recipes or enjoying quality time with loved ones in the kitchen. To get started with meal prepping, set aside time each week to plan your meals and snacks. Choose recipes that are simple, versatile, and utilize affordable ingredients. Consider preparing large batches of meals and portioning them out into individual containers for easy grab-and-go options throughout the week. By investing a little time up front, you'll save both time and money in the long run, while enjoying delicious, homemade meals. 5. Automate your savings. Make saving money a breeze by automating the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Even if it's just a small amount, those savings will add up over time. Saving money doesn't have to be a manual, labor-intensive process. With the advent of online banking and financial technology, automating your savings has never been easier or more convenient. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend money that should be earmarked for savings. Treat your savings contributions like any other fixed expense, prioritizing them each month alongside your rent, utilities, and other bills. Over time, those small, consistent contributions will accumulate, helping you build a substantial emergency fund or work toward other financial goals. Congratulations! You've just learned 5 effective ways for increasing your savings. Setting yourself up for financial success involves tracking expenses, making a budget, eliminating unnecessary costs, adopting meal planning, and automating saves. However, this is only the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Remember that every modest move you take now leads to a better financial future tomorrow. So let us go on this adventure together, armed with information, tenacity, and a dedication to sound financial management. Stay tuned for more updates. Your future self will thank you for this.